how to make money online and the best way to start. Hey everyone, it's Michelle, and today I want to talk about something a lot of women ask me. How do you even make money online? Like, where do you even start? I mean, if you've ever felt confused or overwhelmed by it, you're in the right place. I'm going to break it down super simple, just like we're having coffee together. So why do women in their 50s ask this? Here's the truth. Most of us hit our 50s and think, okay, how am I going to retire? Will I ever stop working? Is this even for me? And then the stress hits at 3 a.m. We blame menopause. But a lot of the time, it's money anxiety. We're tired of working more hours. We're tired of barely paying the bills. We want peace, not panic. So earning online becomes this, maybe this could help idea. But nobody teaches us where to start. You just don't know what to do. So what making money online really is. Here's the part nobody says. Making money online is not about being famous. It's not about dancing, not about being super techie, and not about having a giant following. It's actually about learning a simple skill that you can repeat over and over. That's it. It's no different than learning how to cook a new recipe. You follow the steps, you practice, and then it works. There are tons of ways, but most of them are confusing, tech heavy, or take forever to see results. So when people ask me, Michelle, what's the best way? I always say the best way is learning a simple step-by-step system that does most of the hard stuff for you. What I do, the system I use, teaches you exactly how to earn online, even if you've never done anything like this before. Because most of us haven't. You don't need to build a big website, do sales calls, bother your friends and family, be a tech wizard. Just plug in, follow the training, and let the automation do the heavy lifting for you. No having to listen to no. It gives you clarity and confidence. And honestly, it feels really good to know you're finally doing something for you in your future. I don't teach get rich quick stuff. I teach real skills. Stuff that actually helps women in their 50s feel calm, not overwhelmed. So why does this work for women like us, women in our 50s? I mean, women in our 50s are honestly the best at this. Do you want to know why? Because you're consistent. We're patient. We've lived real life. And when we decide to learn something, we go all in. Plus, we know we don't want millions of dollars overnight. We just want less stress, more peace, a little extra income to start, choices, breathing room. This system is perfect for that. You get to earn online in a way that doesn't take over your whole entire life. So if you've ever been wondering how to make money online, or if you're tired of stressing about retirement, or you're just curious about what's possible, just reach out. Ask me how it works. Go to excitedDailyPay.com to check it out. I'll walk you through it step by step, totally pressure-free. You don't have to figure this out alone. And trust me, it feels amazing when things finally start to make sense, because you know all you have to do is give yourself a little time. And I want to help you get there. So thanks for watching. Make sure you follow me so you can get notified the next time I do video. Have a good day. Let's do this together. I want to help you get there.